Hello, today we're going to be talking about what you need to take care of for your kids as far as their dental appointments before they go back to school.
Oh, back to school, back to school, back to school. Well, here goes nothing.
This is Dr. Tamisha Denis, and this is The Modern Smile. It is August and it is time to talk about back to school.
You know what? I saw him install a car seat yesterday in 2 seconds. I'm telling you, it was like boom, boom, click.
I know the list of school supplies is very long. Let's see.
Pencil pouch, blue or black pen, number 2 pencils, pencil sharpeners, highlighters, markers, erasers, 3-ring binder, lunchbox, construction paper, tissues, crayons, new uniform, new shoes, scissors, glue sticks, book bag.
The list goes on forever.
First day of school, here we go. We're ready to learn, to get some knowledge. Now,
so my daughter is going into the 2nd grade this year, and I've already started to think about what I need to do for her before going to back to school.
Dude, everybody's two-strapping in.
just stay with the one strap.
I can't right now.
What are you doing? What are you doing? Don't succumb to the peer pressure.
We need to check to see if all the vaccinations have been taken care of, and then we need to make sure the doctor's appointments are taken care of, eyes are checked, but we can't forget.
3 minus 4 is...
-1.
That's right.
We gotta make sure that their teeth are checked. So today we're gonna talk about the things that I think you should consider doing for your kid dentally before they go back to school. So number 1, you definitely should make sure that your kid gets their cleaning before they go back to school. The reason that that's really important is because back to school tends to be a very busy time. Everybody's getting accustomed to their new schedule, and sometimes it's really hard to get that dental appointment in. So going and getting a cleaning is probably a great idea. At that cleaning appointment, you'll find the dentist is going to check to see if there's any cavities, and if there are, you have the time to get them filled. And if there aren't any cavities, then you can talk about, especially your school-age children, talk about getting sealants. And sealants are basically just protective or preventative measures that we can do to prevent decay. The next thing that you should consider before going back to school, if you have an older child, is whether or not they should have their wisdom teeth taken out. I find that a lot of my college students and my late teen age students are starting to experience having their wisdom teeth starting to grow in, and this is a really good time to consider taking them out. The reason it's a good time to consider taking them out is because you have time to recover, and a lot of times during the school year there's so much going on, all you have is about a weekend. And most people, I tell them, when you have your wisdom teeth taken out, you want to kind of be at home, relaxing, lounging, and feeling better. So if there's a lot of activities going on, that's not the ideal time to get them done. So highly consider having your kids' wisdom teeth taken out. A lot of my college age students will take their wisdom teeth out before going back to school, and that way it's all taken care of. I'm telling you my personal story. When I was in college, my junior year, I started to have wisdom teeth pain, and I sat in bed in a lot of pain, and I couldn't wait to go home for Christmas time to get those wisdom teeth taken out. And unfortunately, usually it's an emergency, and depending on where you live, it's not so easy to get back home and get to your home dentist to have your wisdom teeth taken out. So that's a really great idea of getting those wisdom teeth out before going back to college. The next thing that I would consider, if you're considering getting braces, now's a good time to start. Braces takes a lot of adjustment period, especially in that first month, whether you do something like Invisalign or ClearCorrect, or you get traditional braces. If you're thinking about getting braces, summertime is a great time to get that done right before going back to school. So those are my 3 tips of things that you should consider dentally before going back to school. Number 1, get that cleaning and checkup. If you need a filling, get it filled. If you need a sealant, get your teeth sealed. Number 2, consider taking those wisdom teeth out. It's opportune time for healing. And number 3, consider getting braces to get the process started, so that way you're already in the groove of things once the new year starts. Hope you have fun getting ready for back to school. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching.